Hello friends, AI 3021 IT in Agricultural System presented by Esmino Shamli, Assistant Professor, Agricultural Engineering Department. Unit 2, Artificial Light System. First, plant and light signaling. Energy is transported through the air by electromagnetic waves, microwaves, radio or television waves, X-rays, ultraviolet rays, or visible light are the example of electromagnetic waves which are characterized by having different frequency and wavelengths. The electromagnetic spectrum represent different frequency and wavelength that are known under different names such as microwaves, radio waves, visible light, etc. Electromagnetic radiation has dual nature. Radiation propagates as waves, but they exchange energy as part, part, uh, photons. It was Albert Einstein who proposed in 1905 for the first time the light has both particle and wave nature. A beam of light includes a set of particles called photons. Photons corresponding to longer wavelengths carrying less energy than photons from short wavelengths area. Plant pigments, photoreceptors and photosynthesis. Plants absorb light in the almost similar range as a human eyes, but unlike human, they absorb best red and blue light. One of the main molecules enables plants to absorb light and use its energy to transfer water, carbon dioxide into oxygen. The complex organ molecules is called chlorophyll. This process is known as photosynthesis. Uh, Chlorophyll is a plant pigment found in the intracellular chloroplast. They are green in color and are fact responsible of the green coloration of leaves and stem. There are two main types of chlorophyll found in the plants: chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B, which differ from each other slightly, but their light absorption curves. Light quality. Quality of light is important as the quantity of light. The plants cannot move easily from bad growing conditions is has resulted in sophisticated sensor to read from their environment through photoreceptors. That is, uh, to get a good condition for plant, we keep photos to get a sensor system to read their environment through photoreceptors. Sensing the light environment through photoreceptors enable plant to flower the correct time of year. When the conditions are suitable, the next generation is survival. Photosynthesis means a series of processes driven by photons absorbed by the plant pigment. Photosynthesis is not very efficient since only 4 to 6% of energy available in the radiation is converted into biomass. Photosynthesis can be intensified with elevated CO2 concentration However, an increase is photosynthesis rate does not translate into linear increase in plant growth or yield increase. Plants cannot control their own development so that they cannot grow indefinitely. The color of the light. Plants respond to different wavelength in PAR range. In 1972, MC Cree studies the spectrum used by plants, describe the absorption peak at different wavelength and establishing the curve of action spectrum of photosynthesis. The spectrum of photosynthetically active radiation. MC Cree found that all higher plants specifies more than 20 that he studied. They were too broadly coincident high in photosynthetic efficiency centered around 440 and 660 nm. Uh, Next, artificial lighting for plant growth. Plant grow light is a source of artificial light which has been designed to grow plant in spaces where there is light or no natural light available, or when the natural day length is artificially mm, extended. That is, plants grow in the artificial light which has designed to grow the plant. There is no natural light or no natural day is available in the artificial lightning. Light for cultivation has traditionally tried to resemble sunlight in terms of the composition of the light spectrum, but it was not until the appearance of uh, light emitting diode, that is LEDs, that it was possible to produce customized spectra. Most commonly used greenhouse lights, the high pressure sodium lamps, uh, irradiate mainly in yellow and green red area of the visible spectrum, while fluorescent light, which have traditionally been used in growth chamber, have more blue light in the spectrum. Thank you.